Cessna-built training aircraft used by the United States Air Force. But they developed what was called an attack version. The attack version was the A-37 Dragonfly. It's a unique aircraft that just will blow your mind. C-17 Globemaster 3 lifting off. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The Pacific Air Force's aerial demonstration Sister 3. Note how quiet the passage shows. The aircraft's wide 170-foot long wings and hydraulically boosted the C-17's capabilities, an assault landing on a combat backing. Ladies and gentlemen, this will occur in just over 1,000 feet, shorter than an aircraft carrier. There is no other aircraft on Earth that can perform this maneuver. The C-17 is currently demonstrating the ability to back under its own power, which gives it increased maneuverability while offloading cargo and the capability to operate at smaller, unsupported airfields.